The major people management in organization specializes in managing people and organizational transformation, as well as the innovativeness of organizations. It's not just about managing resources, it's about empowering individuals, it's about fostering collaboration and unleashing the energy and the potential of employees.
Many of our students have bachelor in business administration, but we also have many graduates from other programs, such as, for example, engineering, sociology, law, education. And for those students, we have special pre-master courses in which we prepare them to join the program and to be successful in the program.
We prepare them to really be active, skillful and experienced in influencing organizations to be more prosperous, successful, but also a place of well-being and motivation.
We offer our students a second degree program at the Napier University in Edinburgh. Our major PMO students get the chance to complete 2 complementary degrees, one with a partner institution. And also our Startup Center at our university, Smart Up, supports our students in realizing their own business idea, which also applies to innovation ideas in the field of people management and organization. And the startup coaches do a really good job.
So in Switzerland, the qualification for people management organization expert typically is done within the continuous education programs, such as MAS, CAS. But those are targeted at people who have extensive experience. What is unique in our program that we actually incorporate a lot of this thought around practice-based applied management education in the people management organization, but it's not a classic HRM program. So we provide students with a strong foundation in management. At the same time, make sure that there is a lot of opportunities for practical applications, collaborations with companies, getting to know a lot of network in the area of people management, which is very relevant, especially for those students that come from different fields.